This is our pre-core stretcher. It's great for stretching the lower back and lower extremity. Helps us gain a little bit more mechanical advantage to help get deeper stretches. These here are wobble chairs. They're great for core activation and getting some core stability right from the base layer of the spine. Cervical traction is an essential progressive exercise that helps us rebuild the neck curvature. This is our stretch cage. It's great for doing all the stretches you would typically do, but this is guided and gives you a little bit more support while you're working through them. We use decompression tables in our office to help alleviate any possible disc injuries that might be happening, maybe disc bulges or disc herniations. These are massage rooms where a couple of our licensed massage therapists will work out of. It's where we do our hands-on work, cupping, muscle scraping, and a bunch of different modalities. This is our open bay adjustment area. This is where the actual physical manipulation and adjustments happen.